Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Tuesday morning, December 13th. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and SPY. First and foremost to remember, right, it's 8:05. What we're seeing here means absolutely nothing. It's all going to matter after 8:30 where this market decides to trade, and again tomorrow at 2 o'clock. Right now we're getting, no doubt, a lot of short covering, as whoever's been short in this market is taking it back prior to the CPI number coming out. We did go out with a triple distribution day yesterday. Right now we're looking to gap higher, but again, at 8:30 that could all go out the window. We battled the 20-day moving average yesterday. Now we're around the 200-day moving average in SPY. We're about $1.30 below it right now. It's at 402.68. Triple Q's doing the same thing as they're pushing higher, as is Russell, but nowhere near, as you can see, barely above yesterday's high. Look, as far as the game plan and things of that nature, if you trade for a living, there's no reason to be pushing the button at 8:30. Just isn't, right? Let the market settle down. Either the market's going to continue, the number's going to come out, it'll be under 7%, and they'll rally this market pretty hard, and then you can look for longs throughout the day, right? If we hold the gap, and if we possibly go trend. On the flip side, excuse me, if the number is higher and it takes back exactly what we did this morning and yesterday, well, then you start seeing how much does it take back, right? Does it take back the whole trend day? Where did change take place yesterday? Well, officially it took place here. We had the triple distribution. But your line in the sand, at least initially, would be H is high, right? You have the price probe in L, then H is high. M period is your triple distribution. H is high to E's low is your middle distribution, and then B's high to the day's low is your initial distribution from yesterday. So if the number takes back a lot of what happened, see where we are in this range, okay? Now, monthly and weekly is still in balance. That is not going to change right away. The daily is attempting to come out of balance, okay? To give you a game plan would be foolish. If you're in the trading room, you're going to get a game plan as soon as 9:30 comes around and the market opens, depending on what happens at 8:30. But as of right now, to give a game plan, you want a game plan? Right now, I'd be taking longs against yesterday's high prior to 8:30, okay? It pushes up in the next 20 minutes. You want to take a short against the 200-day moving average? You can do that. Other than those two things, everything's out the window, especially 8:30. Now, just quickly, so here's the thing that has to change, right? We're in a 5-day balance. So 399.99 is your balance high. Come 8:30, or forget 8:30, I'm sorry. Come 9:30, it's going to determine whether we're coming out of balance to the upside or not. Remember, this means nothing right now pre-market. If we open above 399.99 with a decent amount and attack the 200, the daily goes from balance to up. And at least the shortest time frame is now up again. And maybe the Santa Claus rally has a chance, and we do test September's high. If, however, this number throws everything out the window, and we open inside of this 5-day balance or below it, right? Don't put anything past this market, right? It's only $10 lower. Well, then we come out of balance to the downside. So everything is on the table. Inside of this range, nothing has changed. And we're going to have to wait for the Fed tomorrow. Above this range, buyers take control, especially if we can get to 200. But again, one day will not make a market, especially with tomorrow's action. And below this, well, now we're below both the 200 and the 20. This gap becomes a focus, as well as the 50-day moving average. Be smart today. Good luck trading today, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.